5 Unmissable and effective ways to backup and restore iPhone. The smartphone enables users to save more data and other documents on devices. It is convenient, but still risking that never make a backup. Although there are some workable ways to get data back, they are not 100% ensure. Below are something you can use to backup and restore iOS data easily and safely. FoneLab iOS Data Backup and Restore. FoneLab iOS Data Backup and Restore is the top recommended software for you. It can help you generate device data backup to your computer, so won't take a large space on your computer. And it can also help you restore data from this backup file with ease. First, you should download and install the program on your computer, and then connect device to computer with USB cable. Backup iPhone data with FoneLab iOS Data Backup and Restore. Step 1. Choose iOS Data Backup and Restore iOS Data Backup in the interface. Step 2. Choose Standard Backup or Encrypted Backup according to your needs, and then click Start. Step 3. Select the data type you want to backup, and then click Next. Restore iPhone data with FoneLab iOS Data Backup and Restore. Step 1. Choose iOS Data Backup and Restore iOS Data Restore in the interface. Step 2. Choose local backup data you want to view, and then click View Now. Step 3. After the scanning, view and choose data from the result, and then click Restore to Device or Restore to PC. Please keep in mind that FoneLab doesn't like iTunes or iCloud, which will overwrite the data on device. It enables users to backup and restore data selectively without data loss. If you are a fan of Apple ways, you should continue to watch, as we will talk about how to backup and restore iPhone data with iTunes and iCloud. iTunes Backup and Restore. iTunes is the tool which is released by Apple to help you manage iOS data between computer and device. Here we will talk about how to backup and restore SMS, photos, and more with iTunes. Backup iPhone to iTunes. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer, and then launch it on your computer. Step 2. Connect your device to computer with USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone screen to access connection. Step 3. Click the device icon on the left top, and then click Summary on the left panel. Step 4. Locate Backup section on the right, click Backup Now. Restore iPhone from iTunes. Please make sure you have backed up iPhone with iTunes before. If not, please follow above mentioned way to make a backup file first. Step 1. Go to Summary, Backups. Step 2. Then click Restore Backup. Another Apple is iCloud. iCloud Backup and Restore. If you don't like to use the computer at all, you can select iCloud. It will store your data on its iCloud service, and you can access them as easy as possible. iPhone to iCloud. Step 1. Open Settings app on your iPhone, tap your name, iCloud, and then scroll down to locate iCloud Backup. Step 2. Turn on iCloud Backup, and then tap Backup Now. Restore iPhone from iCloud. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Reset. Reset all settings to factory reset iPhone. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instruction to set up your device and choose Restore from iCloud Backup on the App and Data page. Step 3. Choose the backup file and restore. WhatsApp Backup and Restore. Another topic you care about might be WhatsApp. People always ask how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on iPhone. How to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. There are different ways to backup and restore WhatsApp data. The first option you should try is its built-in feature. Backup WhatsApp chat on iPhone. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on iPhone. Step 2. Go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Step 3. You can choose to enable auto backup here and choose if include videos or not, then tap Backup Now. Restore WhatsApp chat history on iPhone. Please check if you have a backup through Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and then follow below steps to restore WhatsApp from backup. Step 1. Tap and hold the WhatsApp app on your iPhone screen until it shakes, and then tap on the delete icon to delete this app. Step 2. Reinstall the app in App Store. Step 3. Follow the instruction to restore WhatsApp chat history from backup. Cloud services, OneDrive backup and restore. There are different choices for users to save iPhone files like iCloud, and then they can access them wherever they are, such as OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. It doesn't require a computer to complete the operation. What you need is the device which has stored your data with stable internet connection. You should download and install Microsoft OneDrive on your iPhone, and then sign in your account and follow below tutorial to upload and restore data. Backup to OneDrive. Step 1. Open OneDrive on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Files on the bottom of the window, and then plus icon on the top right corner. Step 3. Tap Upload and choose items you want to save to OneDrive. Restore from OneDrive. Step 1. Launch OneDrive app on your iPhone, and then find the data you want to download to your device. Step 2. Press it to select it, or simply tap on it to open it. Step 3. Tap the Share button on the top, and then tap Save to Files on the pop-up window. That's all.